Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about, let's say there is something we want to print. Let's say I did some command like preview, and here you can see that here the optimizer is there, this block is there, and it is not printing here. So to print this, what we can do is we have to turn on the print command from the layer. So for this you have to go to model space. You can turn on layer, you can go layer here like this, and simply just go on that layer, right click, and layer status, click on prints. You have to check this. Now you can see layer status, it is check. Now when we go to pv1, now if I print again print here, I'll just go to preview. Here you can see now the optimizer is there. Here micro inverters are there, and in this there is no micro inverters. So this is how you can print if something is not printing in while doing the preview or from the layout. So this is how you gonna print this, uh, the layer which is not coming. So I hope you find this video useful. So take care, bye bye.